Looking for snowboard boots that actually keep your feet warm and comfy all day on the slopes? You're in the right place. Hey, I'm Dexter, and on WorkKeep, I'm checking out the best snowboard boots selected based on Amazon reviews. You can find all the product links in the description below. And these boots aren't in any order, so make sure you watch until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more top boot reviews. First up, we've got the System A PX snowboard boots, and these are super popular for a reason. Right out of the box, they feel really comfortable thanks to the soft padding, which is perfect if you're planning to spend long days on the slopes. The medium flex gives you a nice balance between support and freedom of movement, so you won't feel too stiff or too loose while riding. I also love the lacing system. It's quick and easy, so you can tighten or loosen your boots in seconds without any hassle. On top of that, these boots are built to last even if you hit the slopes multiple times a season. They're a solid choice for beginners or more experienced riders who want a reliable all-around option. Riders really love how easy they are to get in and out of, plus the comfort is just top-notch. If you want to check the latest price or grab a pair for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description below. Next up, we have the Alpine Swiss snowboard boots. These boots really stand out if you're looking for something that combines style with performance. Right away, you'll notice how warm and cozy they feel, which is a huge plus for those cold mountain days. The support is excellent too, keeping your feet stable without feeling restrictive. And the waterproof materials mean your feet stay dry even in fresh powder. Another cool thing about these boots is their sleek design. They look great on the slopes, so you can ride in style while staying comfortable. These are perfect for riders who want both practicality and a bit of flair in their boots. If these sound like the ones for you, don't forget to click the link in the description to check out the latest prices and reviews. Now let's talk about the Burton Moto snowboard boots. These boots are a favorite for anyone who wants something lightweight but still super responsive on the slopes. One of the standout features is the BOA lacing system, which lets you tighten or loosen your boots in seconds. No fuss, no tying knots. They're also designed to give a soft, comfortable flex, which makes them perfect for freestyle riders or anyone who likes a little more freedom in their movements. Plus, the cushioning inside keeps your feet supported all day, so even long sessions won't leave you sore. If you're after boots that combine convenience, comfort, and performance, the Burton Moto could be exactly what you need. Check out the link in the description to see the latest price and reviews. Next up, we have the Siren Luxe snowboard boots. These are designed especially for women who want a perfect blend of comfort, performance, and style. Right away, you'll notice how well cushioned they are, making them super comfortable for all-day riding. The fit is precise, which helps with control on the slopes, so whether you're carving turns or hitting jumps, your feet stay locked in without feeling cramped. Another great feature is the support. They really help stabilize your ankles, which is key for both safety and performance. And of course, they look sleek, so you don't have to compromise style for function. If this sounds like your ideal boot, make sure to click the link in the description to check the latest price and read the reviews. Up next are the Fifth Element ST Lace and Dial snowboard boots. These boots are all about precision and control. They come with a dual lacing system, which means you can fine-tune the fit with both traditional laces and a quick dial, giving you maximum comfort and support exactly where you need it. The boots have a slightly stiffer flex, which is perfect if you're looking for extra responsiveness and stability on the slopes. Riders who like more control, whether carving or hitting challenging terrain, tend to love these. Plus, they're built tough, so they'll last through multiple seasons of riding. If this sounds like your kind of boot, don't forget to click the link in the description to see the latest price and reviews. Finally, we have the Burton Mint BOA snowboard boots. These boots are perfect for riders who want a mix of comfort, support, and easy adjustability. The BOA closure system makes it super simple to get the perfect fit. Just twist the dial and you're ready to go. They have a medium flex, which gives you enough support for all mountain riding while still keeping things comfortable and responsive. The cushioning inside keeps your feet happy all day long, and the overall design is sleek so you can hit the slopes looking good while riding even better. If you're interested in checking these out, click the link in the description to see the latest price and reviews, and that's a wrap on the best snowboard boots you can find right now. All of these boots are highly rated on Amazon and perfect for hitting the slopes comfortably and in style. If you saw a pair you like, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and reviews. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future boot reviews here on Workeep. See you on the slopes.